The second thing we believe is to live like Jesus is to sit with notorious sinners. In Matthew the 9th chapter, verses 10 and 11, the sinners loved being with Jesus because they felt love. I want to live a life that sinners, notorious sinners, as the New Living Translation says, can feel comfortable with me. I hear people all the time brag about the fact that when they walk into a room, that sinners quit talking the way they talk and they hide their alcohol behind them and all of those kind of things. That's not M25. M25 wants that person to feel comfortable to be who they are and talk to us. Oh, I wish I had an hour to tell you about the souls and the lives that have been transformed because I didn't look at them with a condescending look, because they had a joint of grass in their hand or they had a beer in their hand. It was that love that they felt that Jesus had through me. It's nothing that I had on my own. It was what Jesus gave through me.